Why is preventive maintenance important in chemical plants? Preventive maintenance helps keep equipment reliable, safe and efficient. Here are 5 key benefits. Number 1. Reduce equipment breakdowns. Regular inspection help identify problems before they become major failure. Number 2. Improves plant reliability. Well-maintained equipment performs consistently and supports interrupted production. Number 3. Extends equipment life. Routine maintenance reduces wear and tear, increasing the service life of equipment. Number 4. Enhance safety. Preventive maintenance minimize emergency repairs and costly production downtime. Number 5. Reduce maintenance cost. Preventive maintenance minimize emergency repairs and a costly production downtime. Remember, maintenance is not an expense. It is an investment in reliability, safety and productivity. Follow Industrial Operation Academy for practical knowledge on chemical plant operation, maintenance, production management and industrial safety.